Well, here at the city of Isleton, it's a little public fishing pier place, dock or whatever that they got. And this was the epicenter, I guess, of the most recent earthquake. I think they downgraded it. The last I heard it was 5.3 earthquake. Originally, when I first heard it, when the alarm went off in my phone, it said it was a 5.4. Oh, there's the news crew. I saw a couple other rolling out already. So I wonder how much this dock was rocking and rolling from the earthquake. Never actually been on this little dock before. Probably a good place to come fishing. You know, in California, if it's a public dock or pier like this, don't need to have a fishing license. Still have to follow the regulations and find out what the regs are on different fish, what's in season, what's not, size limits and all that kind of stuff. But as far as regular fishing license to fish off a public pier, don't need a fishing license. The same thing in San Francisco. You can go to the public piers in San Francisco and fish off of them or get some crabs, and don't need to have a fishing license for them. All right.
But yeah, she's not listening very well.
Right on.
What?
Get over here, girl.
So I think, not sure, but usually around this time of year, the salmon start running up the river. Wouldn't that be something to hook a nice big salmon? So as you can see, the water's flowing down that way. So, once upon a time, that's what I used to do inland work, working on these different piers to clean all the logs jammed up on them, especially like after a big storm. So you can see a lot of people have been fishing on this, cutting on it with their knives, cutting fish up. Once in a while on this river too, you'd see a whale actually going up it. Wayward whales. Sometimes you'd see some seals come up this far. But this is Isleton, little town of an earthquake. See, there isn't any boat traffic. You can see the waves rolling up. So what if there's little aftershocks creating some disturbance in the water? See those waves? Could be from an aftershock. Huh. So I was talking to these people down on the sailboat down there, and they were saying that yeah, there was a lot of rock and rollers coming and aftershocks and stuff too, and saying that the epicenter was on the other side of town, so farther that way, but they definitely had the, I guess, aftershock and stuff here. And then I noticed when I was coming in, there was some government vehicles along the levee, so like they're or inspecting this levee probably for damage, because the guy was saying that there is a new fault line along this levee down farther down that way. So, and that's where I saw those vehicles parked down there checking the levee out. Well, this is the little town of Isleton. So yeah, this whole town is below that water line. So if that levee blows out, well, it's gonna take out this little town. Yeah.